Alright, so this is the, what I'm guessing is the Amazon Echo Dot. Let's open it.
Load it for you? I'll load it for you.
We got two Echo Dots. This might be the case. Yeah, fabric case. And this is the actual Echo Dot itself. The white variant. And we'll give a review of it once we unbox it all. Alright, so I set it up right there. Pretty nice. With a nice case. It's a white Echo Dot. And here's how you control it. Here's how you control it. Alexa, hello.
Hi.
And you can also ask it questions. Alexa, what are parakeets?
Parakeets is a plural form of parakeet. Parakeet is usually defined as any of numerous small, slender, long-tailed parrots.
Older spellings still sometimes encountered are parakeet or paraquet. Alexa, tell me about a butterfly knife.
A balisong, also known as a fan knife, butterfly knife or batongas knife, is a folding pocket knife.
Alexa, tell me about chicken.
The chicken is a type of domesticated fowl, a subspecies of the red jungle fowl.
Man, I love messing with this thing.